Hello, Project Clean Nation members, and congratulations on joining us for the 6-week challenge, Spring Clean Your Diet. We know that change is hard, but we think this is going to be a lot of fun. And remember, we're here with you every step of the way. So in the email you just received, you saw 10 tips and tricks on how to best optimize your results. We want to take that one step further for you, so we created this PLN 6-week challenge optimizer, and I'm going to walk you through how to use it. So again, there's over 400 of you joining this challenge. So the very first thing that we all need to do is make a copy, or else everybody's going to be filling in results for everyone else. So we're going to start here, go down to make a copy. You could save it as whatever you want, make a copy. And now this is going to be your copy where you record all your results. So step 1, completed. You have your own copy. No one can see your results. You can't mess with anybody else's numbers. Step 2, log your activities. The tracker is going to do everything else for you, which I'm going to walk you through, but it's as simple as that. It's color coordinated, so you'll see green means that you're on track, yellow means you're a little behind, red means we just have to step it up. Once you have your copy made, you're going to click the tracker tab, and this is where you're going to track all your information. So out of those 10 tips and tricks, we took 4 of what we felt were the biggest needs to help you optimize your challenge. So for example, steps per day, we recommend you trying to hit 10,000 steps to maximize your results. What's pretty cool is there's 42 days in the challenge. So it gives you a goal up here of 10,000 steps per day. That's 420,000 steps. And here's what you do. So you come in, the first day you're excited, you hit 10,000 steps, you're entered in green, good job. The second day, just a little behind, maybe 7,500 steps, it'll show you yellow. You're right there, you just have to step it up a little bit. And then say you have a day where you have a lot going on, we get it. So maybe you just get 5,000 steps. It's just going to show you that it's red, that you need to focus on that a little more. It'll keep a running tally up here, and you'll see what you have. We do this as well for sleep. Again, same concept, maybe 8 hours, what we recommend, it's going to be green. Maybe one night you get 6 hours, it's going to show you yellow, you can get a little more sleep. Maybe you have 3 kids like I do, so it's more like this. And it's going to show you that you didn't get a great night of sleep. We also have protein and veggies, so we suggest that 2 of your 3 meals throughout the day, or 2 of as many meals as you eat, should contain protein and veggies. So again, this is just 2 and you're done. And then these 2 are just checkoff boxes. So workouts, we suggest 3 30-minute workouts per week. So again, your total will be up here, 18 total workouts. And all you're going to do is just check the box. So it'll be green on the days that you get a workout in. This neon green line, all that does is indicates the weeks. And then each week, you have to have 1 social media post. So in here, you'll see this. 1 checked off. You'll see this. And again, your goal here, 6, 1 per week. That's basically it. So we look forward to this challenge. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to your local store. You can email us, you can call, you could DM us, stop by. We think this is going to be a lot of fun. We hope you guys have as much fun as we did creating it, and we look forward to seeing some awesome results. Have a great day.